1. Introduction to practical applications of problem-solving. Problem-solving is most effective when applied to real-world situations. While theories and frameworks provide guidance, it is through action, reflection, and adaptation that solutions become meaningful and impactful. Successful problem solvers do not just generate ideas, they implement and refine them based on experience and feedback. Applying problem-solving skills requires 1. Identifying real challenges, understanding the specific problems affecting a community or organization. 2. Developing actionable solutions, using structured frameworks to design practical responses. 3. Testing and refining approaches, implementing solutions, gathering feedback, and making necessary improvements. 4. Collaborating with others, engaging stakeholders to ensure solutions are relevant and effective. For example, an initiative to improve access to clean water in rural areas may start with installing wells, but over time, implementers may discover that without community ownership and maintenance training, the wells become non-functional. By recognizing this issue, they can adjust the program to include local training and sustainability planning. 2. Case study analysis and application. Real-world case studies offer valuable lessons on how structured problem-solving leads to successful outcomes. Scholars will analyze different examples of how individuals, organizations, and communities have approached social challenges. Case Study 1. M-Pesa and financial inclusion. Before M-Pesa was introduced in Kenya, many people, especially in rural areas, lacked access to formal banking services. The challenge was how to enable financial transactions without requiring traditional bank infrastructure. 1. Problem identified: lack of banking services in rural areas. 2. Creative solution: a mobile money system allowing people to send and receive money using mobile phones. 3. Implementation strategy: partnership with telecom providers to integrate financial services with mobile networks. 4. Lessons learned: continuous feedback led to improvements such as loan services, savings accounts, and business payment options. Case Study 2. Renewable energy in rural Africa. In many African communities, lack of electricity affects education, business, and healthcare. Organizations working on solar energy solutions have tackled this challenge in various ways. 1. Problem identified: lack of reliable and affordable electricity in rural areas. 2. Creative solution: introduction of pay-as-you-go solar home systems, allowing users to buy energy in small, affordable amounts. 3. Implementation strategy: community engagement and financial models that make solar energy accessible. 4. Lessons learned: adapting to local needs by introducing additional services like mobile phone charging and refrigeration for small businesses. These case studies demonstrate how structured problem-solving leads to scalable, sustainable solutions. 3. Group collaboration on problem-solving scenarios. Collaboration is essential in problem-solving. Working with others allows for diverse perspectives, shared expertise, and stronger solutions. In this section, scholars will engage in group exercises to apply problem-solving techniques to real-world scenarios. Steps in collaborative problem-solving. 1. Define the problem. Clearly state the issue the group is addressing. 2. Brainstorm possible solutions. Use creative thinking techniques such as mind mapping or the Scamper method. 3. Analyze alternatives. Use SWOT analysis or cost-benefit analysis to assess the viability of each solution. 4. Develop a plan. Identify key steps for implementation, set SMART goals, and assign responsibilities. 5. Gather feedback. Present the plan to peers or stakeholders for review. For example, a group working on youth unemployment might propose a skills training program. After discussion, they may refine their plan by partnering with local businesses, offering online learning options, or providing mentorship opportunities. 4. Refining solutions through feedback and reflection. No solution is perfect on the first attempt. Feedback from stakeholders, peers, and affected communities helps refine ideas and ensure that solutions meet real needs. Effective problem solvers seek continuous improvement by 1. Soliciting feedback early and often, engaging with stakeholders to understand concerns and suggestions. 2. Testing solutions in small-scale trials, piloting an idea before expanding it. 3. Reviewing outcomes and making adjustments, using evaluation tools to measure impact and refine strategies. For instance, early versions of digital education platforms in Africa faced low engagement due to internet costs. By gathering feedback, developers introduced offline learning options to address this challenge, making education more accessible. 5. Final presentation of case studies to demonstrate understanding of problem-solving techniques. Scholars will present case studies they have analyzed or real-world problems they have worked on during the module. Presentations should include 1. Problem identification, a clear description of the challenge. 2. Decision-making framework used, tools such as SWOT analysis, 6 thinking hats, or the 5 whys method. 3. Proposed solutions, creative and practical recommendations. 4. Implementation plan, how the solution would be executed, including SMART goals and an action plan. 5. Lessons learned, insights gained from the process, including areas for improvement. Through this exercise, scholars will reinforce their ability to apply structured problem-solving techniques to complex challenges. Conclusion: this week has focused on applying problem-solving skills to real-world challenges. Scholars have explored case studies, worked in teams to develop solutions, and refined their approaches through feedback and reflection. By integrating the skills learned in this module, critical thinking, creativity, structured decision-making, and continuous improvement, scholars are now equipped to tackle challenges in their communities and professional careers. Effective problem-solving is a lifelong skill, and applying these methods will enable scholars to drive meaningful change in society.